Hey everybody, dangerous trading today. This is Ticker the Trader. We are still following my Polaris Trend Indicator signals, and we are again correct. If you guys are just watching this channel for the first time, if you go back to watching any of my live streams, you'll see that I've been dead on accurate with the Polaris Trend Indicator. This is my specific indicator. You won't find it in the Indicators tab until you click the link in this description, and then you will see how this indicator works as well as my settings, and I just ask for $1 a day. And once you subscribe and give me your name, you will see the Polaris Trend Indicator by Ticker the Trader. We basically follow the weekly and the dailies, right? And I've been telling you to wait to buy stuff. S&P, QQQ, Tesla, Nvda, all of this. I've been telling you day in and day out, hold on, hold on, hold on. And finally, look at what happened today. We're bleeding out. I took I have my 401k in SPY, 100% of it. I released that on February 18th. Now you're saying to me, basically, you're watching this video and you're saying, like, how did you know that, right? Well, when I start seeing these red columns building, that's when I'm out of the market. And in most cases, you would think I was a genius for taking my profits here. And some other times it works out. It's not that lucrative, but it keeps us out of danger. But in this case, this is complete, like, recession proof. This is very protective. And as you can see under SPY, I've said that we should be waiting. We're not buying in yet. I was very tempted today to buy into SPY, and I am not. So on a weekly time frame, we're still showing red columns. Today's a bigger one. Daily, same thing. We were in here. We lost a little bit here overnight. Wasn't the biggest deal in the world. It was only like 3% or so, but we've made a lot of money on the upsides. But this, I've been out of this, and I am still out of this. So we are still waiting on SPY. Weekly on the Qs. Look at this. We've been out of the Qs since February 18th. We are still not in the Qs. I issued a wait signal, and I've been saying wait for the past, oh my God, these are weeks right here. So more than 7 weeks. IWM. I said that this was a buy last week, but it was a contingent buy on a daily, which was here. This is technically a wait still. We discussed that yesterday, but ultimately we're still waiting. TLT running. I said that this was a hold because we bought down here at like $86. I'm still holding TLT shares as they move up. So on a weekly and on a daily, TLT is looking real nice. TNA. This is still a wait. Look at all these red columns. Get the daily, also red. Wait, do not buy. We said sell yesterday, Tesla. We made a small profit on this, somewhere in here. But now we're on a daily, and we're moving down. So that's a wait. Amazon. Wait. We're still not buying Amazon. I actually bought some shares here at 166, somewhere in that zone. I may take them off the table just because we're up a little bit. But this is definitely a wait. On a daily time frame, same thing. Nvda. I bought at lows of today. Probably going to get out before the market closes. Even though I got a juicy entry at $92, the market's tanking. Weekly, Apple, wait. Daily, wait. Google, wait. We've been waiting all of this time for Google. Daily, still a wait. Meta, wait. Look at all this negative pressure. The Polaris Trend Indicator keeps you totally patient and totally safe on all trades. Microsoft, we've been waiting all this time. If you're playing the daily, it was a little more chaotic, but we're still in a waiting phase. SoFi, wait. We could see SoFi going down to $8, probably 8.12, 8.50, somewhere in that zone. Palantir, wait. Still draining. I do like Palantir though, because in unstable times, that's exactly what Palantir does best. Is their technology really helps during those during those times. So Palantir is a good one to start dollar cost averaging into once we hit certain levels. But right now we're still issuing a wait. AVGO, same thing. I've been very proud of AVGO. We've been holding out of all of this. So for those of you that really believe in AVGO, yes, we've told you to hold on. And even this right here, URA, weekly, wait. We're waiting. We're not buying any shares of URA yet. SMH, semiconductors, waiting, still waiting. US oil. Oh, man. Oh, picture if US oil gets down to 0 again, like during COVID times. I am going to buy every single share of Oxy or UCO that I possibly can, but we're waiting here. Daily, wait. Bitcoin, I said that was a sell. Technically, we got to buy. We're looking okay right now, so this is a temporary buy. It's daily and weekly, green column. So let's see how this closes, but keep your eye over the weekend. Ethereum, this is still a wait. So we're not buying into this at all. All right, guys. Well, again, Polaris Trend Indicator working. I bet it's this is the only indicator that you're going to need moving forward. There's no other indicator nearly as powerful as this. I know a lot of you are wasted. I've been reading comments on Facebook from my friends from high school and this, that, and the other thing, and everyone's complaining that the market's going down. But guess what? I said to my friends, well, I've been out of SPY. My retirement's been out of SPY since February 18th. Trump was very clear on saying that there was going to be a lot of uncertain times coming up. And you can argue the point to me. I don't really care. I don't care for Trump or not. It's just that he was very vocal. And so I moved my money into TLT. And look at how TLT is doing on the same day. So around February, this is actually January 13th, I started getting into TLT. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Again, all I'm asking for, Polaris Trend Indicator, $1 a day. You too can trade and have an edge in the market. Thank you very much.